It's Adekunle, Lagos Island boy. Finalist, Big Brother Naija Season 7. Level up. According to Big Brother, I won the Spectacular 6, I guess Final 4. Last guy in Level 1. And yeah, finally out of the house. This is the first time I'm holding the phone since I've been out of the house. And I've been told there's some pretty interesting comments that were made about me on the internet. Some nice, mean tweets. So I just want to go over some of it with you, and just read, hear some of the narratives that have been made about me. So this one goes, Adekunle has been gossiping about Sheggz and Bella all week, from strategy to calling Bella an instigator yesterday. Adekunle is not innocent, but the hate you all have for Sheggz wouldn't allow you to say the truth. But first of all, I want to say thank you for saying the truth. And yes, I'm not innocent. I don't think anybody is innocent. But from strategy to calling Bella an instigator, it's a game show. For the longest time, everybody said I had a strategy. So I don't think it was so bad for me to think other people have a strategy. And Bella did use her mouth to say she's an instigator. She said it from day one, that she doesn't drink, but she'll make sure everybody turns up. And yes, I was just reminding people of that Adekunle has been gossiping about Sheggz and Bella all week. If Sheggz and Bella have been gossiping about Adekunle, why can't Adekunle gossip about Sheggz and Bella? This one goes, Diana is truly a reader of character. I agree with you. I figured that out late, but I agree with you. She said everything I perceived of Adekunle, a very handsome and smart man. Thank you, but a gaslighter and a low-key instigator. And yes, he wanted what Sheggz has. Gaslighter and low-key instigator. I don't think you know what that means, but I won't go back and forth with you if you say so. No, I do not want what Sheggz wants. If there's anything, I stayed till the finals. Sheggz didn't stay till the finals. I don't think I would have wanted that. You get me? This one goes, what Diana said about Adekunle is fact. That guy has been passive-aggressive and throwing shades to Sheggz every chance he gets when Sheggz actually liked him as a friend. It's clear he has an inferiority complex and is intimidated. I'm not sure this person is talking about Adekunle of season 7. Inferiority complex and is intimidated are not two words I would use to describe me. If you've ever heard me speak, you will know that I'm very confident. When I was in the house, I was worried about negative perception. It was never inferiority complex. I feel never travel, but that will not mean say I don't know myself. I'll definitely choose a man like Sheggz who will handle issues calmly and pamper me when we have a misunderstanding than the aggressive psychopath Adekunle, the Lagos Island Agbero that barks like a dog. Woof woof. Yeah. I guess the only thing I'll say is I really do hope that everything you want for yourself does come to pass. And yes, there's a lot of Sheggz out there. I'm pretty sure that if you look very closely, you find one for yourself. This is actually very refreshing. The first time I'm actually getting a phone, I'm actually hearing or getting to find out that you guys talked about me. It does feel refreshing, even though the comments you made were not particularly nice. It's still refreshing to know that you guys talked about me.